Hey guys, welcome to the mblog channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys Excel sheets for job hunting. If you're interested in career growth, college tips, or any kind of career advice, I recommend that you hit that subscribe button because that's what we focus on this channel. Nonetheless, this video is going to be on organizing and keeping track of those job applications. I really had a hard time with this in the beginning where it was really messy and hard again to keep track of, but I found this method that helps me, and it's such a good little method that it doesn't matter what level you're on in the spectrum with Excel sheets, that you will be able to use it yourself. Even if you're a beginner, if you've just opened the application, whatever it is, it's easy and fast to use. But nonetheless, let's get started with the video. So before I get started with teaching you guys on how I use the Excel sheet for job hunting, I really want to show you first the kind of like what's on the desktop. So as you can see on the left side, I have where I will be job hunting, where I will be finding the jobs and all the titles and all the information that I will need in order to input it into my Excel workbook. Yeah, I just have it here next to the little page on this side, and I'm just going to begin job hunting. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a blank workbook. Don't be scared, it's the other part's still there. And before anything, we're going to want to save. So we're going to save this as the date first. So today, 06, I believe it's 09, and job hunting. And so you're going to be revising that date every time you revise this document. You want to save it in a safe place. So I have a desktop, and that's good for me. So in this column over here, I'm going to put company name, title, B, and in column C, I'm going to put link. And then you're going to put applied, yes or no, and date. When this happens, when it runs over to another column, you can just make it wider. Then I also make an interest level column and notes / comments section. You know what this looks like. You can also make this font C and put whatever you like, whatever. Make sure to save this. And now that you have that, we're going to start demoing how this will look like for you. You can notice I'll make this bigger. Okay, so going here, as you can see, I put marketing entry-level jobs near me. Let's just take marketing associate at Miles. Okay, so what I do is I put Miles, title, marketing associate. Now you're probably going to need to make this bigger. And for link, you don't want to put the Google link. I always like to actually open where I'm applying, where I'm seeing this job application. So I will copy that link and I'll put it in there. I'm going to make this a bit bigger just so you guys can see, because you don't want it running all the way over there. Oops. You go like that. So that wraps it around the columns. Again, you can make this look nicer. Press save. That's fine. You have not yet applied, so you can just put no. And then your interest level, well, you have to read it. Let's just say I'm highly interested in this. So let's say I'm highly interested. And then I will make some notes about it. Maybe I'm going to say posted for a while, near home. And I can say, let's see, what you'll It seems like it asks for experience. So the reason why I'm adding this ask for experience conducting analysis acquisition is because I don't have that. So it might be something that I want to look into when I'm creating kind of a SWOT analysis of my resumes. I know that's crazy, but it really helps me. These notes and comments are going to help you as you continue your job search later, as well as when you come back to it. You kind of know what your headspace was at when you saw this post, and you don't have to keep doing that same analytical thinking each time you open it. So that's kind of like what I do when I'm job hunting, and I continue to populate this with more information. So you guys, as you can see, this is very easy and efficient. All you have to do is put down the company name, the title, the link, if you applied, your interest level, and notes and comments. I hope this was helpful to you and it was something that you can apply. Again, this is quick and easy, and when you need to go back to the application, all you have to do is click that link again. And if you already applied, you just have to change that to yes. And then when you applied, which was, let's say, June 10th, 2020, and you can even say can even do that. You can keep adding columns and details as you'd like, but this is very simple. Anybody can use it, and it's a great way to keep track of your job hunting. Alrighty guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will join this community again by subscribing and clicking the like button and commenting down below what your favorite part of this video was and if you will be implementing it in your job hunting routine. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!